If the alarm is quiet on iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max, just navigate to your clock application and go to alarm right here. Select any alarm and go to sound. If you want to increase volume for the alarm, you can do it using the volume keys right here. For example, I want this sound, just tap on that and increase the volume like this. In this way, the volume will be increased for alarm. Another thing what you can do is just navigate to your settings application and find sound and haptics. Just tap on that and you can adjust your alarm volume from this slider. You can increase it or decrease it as per your preference. You can also enable this toggle and you can adjust it with your volume keys right here. However, note that your ringtone and alerts volume is controlled by this as well, which means if you are increasing volume for alarm, it will also increase for ringtone and alerts, as there is no separate volume control for alarm and ringtone. So that's it for this video. If this video helps, subscribe.